हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स का चैप्टर 8 ट्रिग्नोमेट्री करेंगे। उसमें हम एक्सरसाइज 8.1 के 4 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। तो एक्सरसाइज करने से पहले हम चैप्टर्स के कुछ कुछ बेसिक्स देख लेते हैं। जैसे कि एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है ABC, और हम इस एंगल C को सपोज़ करते हैं कि इसे सपोज़ करते हैं थीटा है। देन साइन ऑफ थीटा विल इक्वल्स टू इट परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस. So here perpendicular is opposite to that side AB, and here hypotenuse is AC, so AB by AC. Now cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Base is side adjacent to this theta, that is BC, and perpendicular is this AC, so BC by AC. Now tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is this one AB, and base is this one BC. So AB by BC. And now move on to cosec theta. Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. So 1 upon perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse will go up. It will become hypotenuse by perpendicular. It will opposite to that. So AC by AB. And the sec theta is just opposite to cos theta. 1 upon cos theta. So this will be just similar as this AC by BC. And now tan theta, and now cot theta. Cot theta is just opposite to tan theta. 1 upon tan theta equals to BC by AC. Now let's move on to exercise 8.1, question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equals to 24 centimeter, BC equals to 7 centimeter. Determine first sin A, second cos A. Second one is sin C and cos C. So that's given. AB equals to 24 centimeter and BC equals to 7 centimeter. So in this situation we have to suppose the angle A. So we suppose this angle A. So sine of angle A will be perpendicular by hypotenuse. So So perpendicular is h7, and h is missing. So we have to find h by Pythagoras theorem. So we apply Pythagoras theorem. So that is h square equals to p square plus b square. So now h square equals to p square will be 7 square plus b square will be 24 square. Then h equals to root 49 plus 576. So that will be 25 centimeters. So now continue our question. Sin A equals to 7 by h equals to 7 by 25. Now let's move on to cos A. So cos A is base by hypotenuse. So according to this angle, base is this AB and hypotenuse is this AC. So we put the values. Now sin C means according to this angle C. According to this angle C, the perpendicular will be AB, and the base will be BC, and hypotenuse will be same AC. So now applying the sin C. Sorry for that disturbance. So let's move on. Sin C. So according to this angle sin C, the hypotenuse is the perpendicular is AB, and the hypotenuse is AC. So that will perpendicular by hypotenuse equals to 24 by 25. And now let's move on to cos C. Then cos of C. So cos of C, so base is here BC and hypotenuse is AC. So base by hypotenuse, that's 7 by 25. I think that this question will be clear to you. Let's move on to second question. So let's find tan P minus cot R. So in this triangle, angle P is this and angle R is this. So first we have to calculate what is first we have to calculate what is this base. So we knew that this is the right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So that will be hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse will be 13 and perpendicular will be 12 and base is unknown. So that will be 169 equals to 144 plus b square. So b will be equal to 5 centimeter. So now tan p. So tan p is equals to the perpendicular and base. So this is angle P. So according to this, perpendicular is this QR and the base is this PQ. So what's the value of QR? It's 5 and PQ is 12. So that's the one value, and then we move on to cot R. What is R? Which angle is R? This one is R. Then according to this, then cot R equals to base by perpendicular. So according to this angle, base will be this and perpendicular will be this. So 5 by 12. Now subtracting both. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. So both will be cancelled. So the answer is 0. Now let's move on to the third question. It's given that in a right angle triangle ABC, sine A equals to 3 by 4. And we have to calculate other values such as cos A and tan A. So first we have to focus on it. Sin A equals to 3 by 4. So sin A is equivalent to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So let's suppose this is angle A, then this will be perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. This is the smallest fraction, so it should be somewhat bigger form. So we can multiply by a number k, which is a positive number. So make them equivalent, where k is a positive number. So this is given p equals to 3k and now hypotenuse equals to 4k. So from Pythagoras theorem we can find this AB. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So what's hypotenuse? It's 4k. So square of 4k plus what is perpendicular, that's 3k, and base is still unknown. So 16k square equals to 9k square plus b square. So that will be k root 7. So now let us calculate these values. So what is cos A? It's the ratio of base to the hypotenuse. So according to this angle, what's base? It's AB, and hypotenuse it's still AC. So the base AB, it's k root 7. So we put this value k root 7, and hypotenuse is 4k. So equals to root 7 by 4. Now move on to tan A. Tan A is perpendicular by base. According to this angle, that's perpendicular and that's base. So 3k upon k root 7. So it will be equivalent to 3 upon root 7. You can rationalize it, or that's your choice. The tan A is this and cos A is this. Okay, let's move on to next question. Question number 4. That's given 15 of cot A equals to 8. find sin A and sec A. It's just similar to the last one. So it's given that 15 of cot A equals to 8. So that 15 is with multiplication with the cot A. So cot A will also be equal to 8 by 15. And what's cot A? Cot A is the base by perpendicular. So just similar as last question, we suppose integer k. So we suppose a positive integer k. Okay, because it's in the simplest form, so it can also be in greater form. So that will be equivalent to 8k by 15k. So now we have got the base as 8k and the perpendicular as 15k. So we can find this by Pythagoras theorem. So we apply Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem. H square equals to p square plus b square. So here we have to find h square, and p square is 15k square plus 8k ka whole square, that will be 25k square plus 64k square equivalent to 289k square. So h will equals to 17k. So what we have to find is sin A. Sin A. So sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is according to A, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Let us mark it 17k, 15k by 17k. So that will be equivalent to 15 by 17. And now let's move on to sec A. What is sec A according to angle A? That will be hypotenuse by base. So what's hypotenuse according to angle A? 17k. And what's base? 8k. So 17k by 8k. So that will be 17 by 8, and that's the answer. That's for sin A and that's for sec A. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.